Do you know that affiliate marketing industry is worth of $12 billion? That is a very vast number, I must say. And if you do it right, it is estimated that affiliate marketing programs can increase your business by at least by 30%. Well, that's incredible, right? Hi guys, my name is Ishan Narang, and in this video I will be talking about the 5 steps on how to maximize your profit in affiliate marketing. Well, when we talk about affiliate marketing, it is considered as an umbrella term which involves a lot of techniques which you need to implement to generate good profits. Okay, so but earlier, like affiliate marketing used to be very simple. It was all about discovering affiliate products, building website, searching for right keywords and writing unique content just by surrounding with your keywords. But wait, here is the thing. Now it's all about customer centric. The focus has already been shifted to according to the customers, their needs and their wants. Okay, so as we all know, customer is a king of business. So let's learn our 5 steps on how to maximize your profit in affiliate marketing. But before that, just grab your notepad, pen and paper and hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel as well so that you will get regular updates. Okay, so let's begin with the first step, and that is researching and choosing the best affiliate products. If you are really serious and want to earn from affiliate marketing, then you need to start from the beginning itself. And for that, you need to do a lot of research, select the best and that too right affiliate products so that you can begin with the right product. Okay, while choosing the right affiliate product, you need to identify the need of your target market. So make sure to promote that affiliate product that meets your the quality standards so that you don't lose your loyal customer or your existing customer. Okay, but above all, selling faulty products to your customer overall will be unethical thing, right? I hope you all agree with this. Yeah, so don't make that mistake and try to get the customer trust and attention. This is really important step. Okay, now let's move to the next step, that is to maximize the profit using emails to promote your affiliate products. You may feel that email have become outdated and are less used, but wait, think again. Email marketing has now become the most reliable way of promoting affiliate products. Yes, it is really true. So using emails to promote your affiliate products can be a good strategy to work upon, definitely in the field of affiliate marketing. So it can be said that email marketing is a great way to earn affiliate commissions. Okay, now let's move to the third step, and the third step of getting maximum profit is to offer eye-catching deals. We all know how excited we get when we see some sort of discounts or running offers. After all, it's our responsibility to satisfy customer in order to generate sales, isn't it? So attracting them with the offer is definitely a 100% sales generating strategy. So once they get attracted, they will stay and they will become your regular customer. So allow them to come with excitement and stay with satisfaction. Alright. So now let's move to the fourth step, that is satisfying your existing subscriber. This you can do by giving them bonus. Bonus will help the existing subscribers to stay, plus they will invite other as well by sending your affiliate products to other. Okay, so this is a very easy and a quick way to grab customers and sales, and if you focus on existing subscribers, nurture them well, will actually help you to earn extra money. Just by making extra efforts, you can grab maximum customers. Okay, so now move to the fifth step, and fifth step to be considered is opting for paid advertisement. Well, paid advertising is a great way to increase traffic and which will actually convert them into customers. It is a proven technique to reach the targeted audience. By paying some amount, you can actually get more people to join your affiliate marketing business. Like there are tons of ads like Bing ads, Google ads, Facebook ads and many more, right? But my personal favorite is solo ads. Why? Because it is easy and a scalable option. You don't really need to do anything, just buy some solo ads from a solo ad vendor and boom, you are done, right? So in the journey of affiliate marketing, paying for some advertisement is definitely a good option to get traffic and sales. Okay, so I hope you found this particular video useful, and if you would like to be a part of my community, I want to invite you to join my Facebook group. Okay, link is already mentioned in the description box. Go and join it right now. I look forward to engaging with you in that group, and I will see you there. So make sure to subscribe my channel. Okay, cheers for now. Bye bye.